Welcome to the Sofitel for the breakfast offering. Breakfast is going to kick off from 6:30 in the morning through until 10 on the weekdays and through until 10:30 on the weekend. And this breakfast has to be the best one that I've been to out of all the hotels I've been to so far in China. It's a really great selection of food on offer from Western, Chinese, and everything in between. So come have a look at the Western food. We're kicking off the buffet. Then we'll check out the Chinese after this. We've got a beef sausage. We have the beautiful grilled sausage. This is really yummy. I really love it. It's kind of a bit sweet. I haven't tasted sausages like that before. It's really nice. Crispy bacon. We also have the tea egg as well as the boiled eggs and also fried eggs here as well. And of course you can also choose eggs your style. They do the eggs here. We get sunny side up, over easy, scrambled, omelets available as well. And you have all the different fillings here from bell peppers, onions, tomato, mushroom, cheese, and also bacon available. You just ask the team and they'll make up the eggs for you. My absolute favorite dish on the buffet is these little bad boys. It is the chicken stick. Highly recommend a chicken stick for your morning. Beautiful, so good. They also have pan-fried sole fish. They also have grilled mushrooms, the most amazing grilled tomatoes you will have in your life, and also hash browns as well, which actually is very sad today because the hash browns look amazing, but normally they have pumpkin here, which I absolutely love. They have the grilled pumpkin, the roasted pumpkin, and it is to die for. So that is sad, but of course you need to stay here a few days so you can try all the different foods. Sometimes they have pork chop, sometimes they have chicken teriyaki. It just depends on the day. So the actual breakfast here is very good. Let's go check out the cold cuts and salads, and then I'll show you guys the Chinese section. Welcome to the salad section. So many salads galore. Come and have a look at what's on offer. Spicy cold tossed pork ears available for our first dish for our salads. We then come to a very nice pickled, this one here is an orange dish, I don't know what that is, but pickled lotus root shoots with chili peppers. We've got edamame, and we also have a Nikos salad, very nice, from Italy. Over here, we're going to have our pick your own, create your own salad dishes. You can see here, you have the different salads you can choose. You have, again, the beautiful tomatoes and our different things you can put with your salad and all our salad dressings. But if you're lazy and you don't want to make your own salad, they already have prepared salads for you as well. So you can just take one of these ones instead of having to make it yourself. Continuing on, we have a cold cut section over here. We're going to start with the homemade salmon. I don't know what homemade salmon means compared to other type of salmon, but it is homemade. And then we have also the smoked fish as well. Very nice. So you can see the smoked salmon there. And then also the fish. Very nice. And we have the cold cuts here. So we have different styles of cold cuts. We've got salami, we've got many different things here, different beef sausage, and we have here, this is really nice. I like the smoked duck breast. They also have chicken breast, very beautiful. And then we have a small cheese platter here available as well. Now we'll look at the fruits over here. We have fruits, we have whole fruits, and we have also cut fruits available. Wow, I've never seen, is that avocado? It's I've never seen that in a fruit section. Very nice, something new for me to discover today. The yogurt section, strawberry yogurt. We also have the yoyik. Again, I don't know what yoyik is, but it is available. And we have plain yogurt, and also we have muesli as well. Very nice. Here at the Chinese section, we're going to have our different condiments here. We also have chili sauce and also the soya sauce. And you'll notice we have some different styles here. We have a tofu pudding. We have also the millet congee, we have the plain congee, and we have this Chinese dumpling, which is very nice. Highly recommend this one. Continuing on, we're going to have some wok fried seasonal vegetables. Very nice. Here we're going to have some, it's like maybe a pork dish, I'm guessing, or anyway, I've had this before. It's a beef dish. It's very nice beef dish with the chilies and onion and that sort of thing. We're going to have here salted shrimp with broccoli. Oh yeah, look at the little shrimp that's already been like cut up, and you got the broccoli and corn. That looks really good. I've been here for a few days and I haven't seen this dish yet. This is a fried noodle, so they've got a fried noodle as well. Very nice. This is a local Changzhou mochi pancake. So this is a beautiful pancake, a very nice one as well that you need to try when you come here to the Sofitel. We've also got the preserved radish fried rice, another Changzhou favorite, as well as this is a tofu skin. So you see this is a tofu skin here, and then we got also the tofu soup as well. Tofu soup, and this is all your local favorites. So you can do the Changzhou sesame cake, also the tofu skin, the Longchang tofu soup, and the Changzhou dried radish fried rice. We have a dim sum section here, which is going to have some pork bun, it's got corn, it's got the sweet potato, different things available there. And they do have a noodle station here where you can ordering the noodles with the team as well. Now, what is the best part about every single Sofitel, and that is the pastries section. We know Sofitels have the most amazing pastries. They do have a very special croissant we're going to see very soon. But kicking off with the most amazing egg tarts. These are very, very good. They do have egg tarts available here every single day, which is very nice. And you can see we've got other pastries available as well, including here a mango Danish. We've got a very basic bread roll. And then we have chocolate muffins. Chocolate muffins, normal muffins. We have pretzels, and we have the seaweed pork floss bun as well. Keep coming around here. We've got more breads to show you. We've got more stations to show you. I want to show you this little station, which is the Mövenpick Ice Cream. This is not available for the breakfast, but I'm just very intrigued by this. You can see the Mövenpick Ice Cream going around and round and round, and the flavors look absolutely wonderful. And I did try the chocolate one, so good. You need to try the Mövenpick Ice Cream when you come here. It is amazing, very, very nice. Here we're gonna have different dips and dops and all that side of things. We've got mango, we've got chocolate paste, we've got strawberry, we've got honey, butter, and maybe raisins, looks like there. We've got a baguette. It wouldn't be a Sofitel without a baguette. And we have our toast. So we have toast here, 2 types of toast available for the toaster. And then the cereal section, we're gonna have, look, we've got the dried banana, very nice. We have a rice, we got Cocoa Pop, different styles. There's actually a lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types of cereal, 7. Wow, so many cereals. And also at the very end here, we have pumpkin seeds. Very nice. Now I'll show you that special croissant. Come over here. You'll see that very special croissant. Here we've got the Le Hut croissant, the fruit kiss, which is being prepared. I'll show you guys that very soon. There is 2 styles of other croissants that are available here, and I'll show you the very special one because we're here very early and they're just preparing it now. We also have hot soy milk. We have hot milk available, mint tea. We've got mint tea and also the black tea as well. And then we've got coffee. You can get your coffee here. Everything from espressos, americano, cappuccinos, lattes, and they got coffee machines throughout the hotel, throughout the restaurant area here. We've got whole milk, we've got skim milk, we also have lots of juices. We have fresh and watermelon and also cucumber juice. And then they've got to have the grape juice, the pineapple juice, the apple juice, and also the grapefruit juice for our juice section. Very cool. So that's the entire buffet. Amazing. Things to enjoy and have here at the Sofitel Changzhou Hi-Tech District. Let's go to the table and we'll do our final thoughts after we check out the croissant. Okay, so you guys are extra lucky. We've not only got our very special croissant of the day, which looks like it is a mango one. I am actually doing this the next day, so I'm not sure if that was different to what I showed you yesterday, but essentially this is a mango topped croissant. Looks very, very nice. It is a specialty dish that they have. Then they're going to change it all the time, so they're going to have like a special dish available here. At every single Sofitel they have their very own croissant, so this is essentially the one today, which is their mango style. It looks like it has some nuts or something on top as well. Very nice. I've also been given from the team a specialty handmade dish. This is a local dish, I've been told. It is a handmade, handcrafted. It translates to like a purple rice wrap. So yeah, it looks really interesting. Looks very different, something I haven't tried before. We're gonna try that now. So the team just brought this over to me. This was not planned. So let's try the, I don't know if I'm meant to cut it or meant to pick it up, or maybe I can just pick it up and eat it. Oh, it's kind of warm as well. So you guys can see there, the purple rice wrap. Wow. It's like one of those sesame things you would get at the shops. You know, like the sesame snaps. It is like kind of that, but softer. And then the rice gives it a completely different flavor. That is really interesting. Come try this when you come to stay at Sofitel. Wow. So cool. Now we're going to jump to my final thoughts. Okay, so we got some breakfast here. We've got some beautiful, interesting, what I've never seen, broccoli, shrimp and corn. It's an interesting mix. I'm sure it's going to be good. We've got couple of chicken sticks because you can never go wrong with chicken sticks. My favorite thing on the buffet. Got some of that sausage, got some grilled mushroom, and the sole fish is really yummy. I really like this dish. This is beautiful. If you ever get a chance to try this fish, I recommend the sole fish. It's very nice. It's very beautiful color. Look at this. See if I can show you. You might not be able to. Oh yeah, you can see the beautiful color of the sole fish. Yeah, highly recommend trying that out as well. So this is a Sofitel Changzhou Hi-Tech District. Also, the drink, the Yayik, whatever the drink is, it's your cult. It's the same. It's like a probiotic drink. It's actually quite nice. So that is the mystery solved on what this is. It is like your cult. That is the Sofitel Changzhou Hi-Tech District buffet breakfast. Wow, that is such a cool breakfast. I'm really loving it. And I'm actually loving this breakfast where I am right now, but you're not going to see that for a little while because I'm here at a property in Sanya, Hainan Island, which is like the Hawaii of China. And I can tell you it is very hot here. So yeah, you're going to see that coming up very soon. But this buffet breakfast at the Sofitel Changzhou is one of the best I've seen throughout China, throughout all my videos so far. It's a really good offering, a really good buffet breakfast. And it's going to open from 6:30 in the morning through till 10 on the weekdays, and then through till 10:30 on the weekend as well. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned because tomorrow the main video will release, which is on the entire property. You're going to be able to see everything from the rooms, which are absolutely beautiful, through to Club Millicent, to all the outlets, including the Italian and also the bistro, where I am not here but in the video. And you'll be able to see all the really cool things, including something I've never seen in a Accor property before. That video will drop tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It's going to be very exciting, and it's going to be the full package for the Sofitel Changzhou Hi-Tech District. Wow. And also you'll be able to see it from the end of that video after the breakfast, so don't miss that, my final thoughts on the property. I actually just cut that from the breakfast video right now, and you'll be able to watch that in the main video coming out tomorrow, fingers crossed. So anyway, until next time, I'll catch you guys very, very soon. It is Reggie out, and make sure if you're not a member of Rate Drop, you sign up ratedrop.net. I can help you save money on your flexible Accor hotel bookings. Just add them to Rate Drop and I'll help you guys save on your next Accor stay. So now, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon as we continue the Accor China series. It is Reggie out.